Understanding the phrase, switch it around. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a common but intriguing phrase, switch it around. This phrase pops up in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills in English. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this phrase. Switch it around is a phrase used to suggest reversing or changing the position or order of things. It's often used when someone wants to change the way something is organized or viewed. This phrase doesn't have a specific historical origin, but it's widely used in everyday English, reflecting its flexibility and adaptiveness in different contexts. Let's see switch it around in action. 1. In conversations, if you're not comfortable with the plan, why don't we switch it around and try a different approach? 2. In writing, the paragraphs in this essay feel a bit off. Maybe switching it around will improve the flow. 3. In instructions, you're holding it upside down. Switch it around so it works properly. By looking at these examples, you can see how the phrase is used to suggest alteration or rearrangement in various situations. When using switch it around, remember: 1. Context matters. It's usually used in informal settings. Be cautious in formal writing or speech. 2. Not for people. It's typically not used to refer to people. Saying, "Let's switch it around," about people might sound odd or insensitive. 3. Prepositions. Don't confuse it with switch around with. The latter can imply exchanging items with someone. Switch it around is a versatile phrase that's great for suggesting changes or rearrangements in a friendly, informal manner. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and see how you can switch it around in your daily English usage. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!